Celeste Janae, and I am back with another video. And as you can see, I have my lovely Peloton in the video today because this bad boy, well actually I've had it for like 2 months now, and so you guys have saw the video I did where I was like using the Peloton app, and I was like, guys, I'm gonna order the Peloton bike, and I've had the bike for 2 months now, and I wanted to wait to do the review on the actual bike until I actually did it for a while, consistently, to see if this is something that I'm gonna stick to, if I really like it. I want to give y'all a good review because this bike is not cheap. Well, actually, I'm gonna get into that because Peloton kind of played me. Well, Peloton kind of played everybody because, okay, actually, I'm just gonna get into it. I'm gonna do this little segment before I get into the review. So basically, a new Peloton bike just came out. It's like Peloton Plus, where the screen twists, right? And it's Apple Watch compatible. So that's really frustrating to me because now this bike that I paid $2,500 for, it was almost $2,600 with taxes and stuff included, is now it's on sale. It's not on sale. Now it's priced for $1,300 now. $1,350, something like that. And I've only had this bike for 2 months, and so I'm just really pissed off because had I known, I would have just waited, because now the new bike costs the price of this bike. So it's just and then Peloton, so I don't want to say they're trifling, but what they did is so trifling. They're like, oh, you can upgrade to the new bike for a trade-in value of $700. So child, you think I'm going to trade in this bike that I've only had for 2 months for $700? That doesn't even make sense. That's not even I don't know math, but I know that's not even close to the value of the bike. So it's just really frustrating because even Apple, when you trade in a device, they do it according to how long you've had it, things like that. You don't just blanket across the board $700 for anybody who wants to upgrade their Peloton. Some people have. And so another thing is Peloton, y'all feel girl, what about the review, honey? I have to get this off my chest, y'all. Another thing, Peloton gives you a 30-day trial. So when you get the bike, you can return it within 30 days, no issue. So basically, the people who are still within the 30-day trial, they gave them the difference between the new price of the new Peloton bike and the Peloton that I have, or you can just upgrade to the new bike, which is so not fair because some people have literally had the bike for when this happened, I had only had the bike for a month. So it's just child, I was upset about it. But the good thing is that the new Peloton bike, the only thing that it does that my bike doesn't do is the screen twist to the side, because they have this Peloton cycling boot camp class, and I've done the boot camp class with my bike, and you can stream it to your TV if you have a TV, or you can literally use the screen and just stand to the side. But that's really the only thing that I think would probably be cool, to be able to turn the screen to the side. And then also having it able to be compatible to my Apple Watch, because right now you have to wear one of those, either Peloton's heart rate monitor watch, chest thing, or get one that's compatible. It's not compatible with the Apple Watch, so that's kind of annoying, but not really a big deal. So anyways, that's just my little tidbit about the new Peloton bike, in case y'all are girl, what? But now we're gonna get into it. How long did I take talking about that? Only 4 minutes. But now we're gonna get into the actual review of the bike. So guys, let me just start off by saying I am in love with my Peloton bike. Honestly, this is the biggest purchase I've ever made in my life, and it was worth it. It's worth it to me. It's very convenient to have it just at home. I can literally hop on the bike in the morning if my boss is annoying me and I just need to break free. I can do it during my staff meetings. Nobody has to know. It's just you could just do it whenever. Some days I'm I really want to work out, but I don't feel like leaving the house. Boom, hop on the bike. There you go. So I love it. I love the convenience. The classes are amazing. The instructors are awesome. I have my top 3. Y'all in the app, I told y'all Alex is one of them. Ali Love is one, and Kendall. I love me some Kendall. I love all 3 of them. They're my faves. I always do their. I like Cody too. I like to do his live classes, but those 3, anytime I take Alex is my number 1. When I'm really in a funk and don't feel like working out, I just need some good old motivation, he's the one to go to. Ali, she always comes through with a good class, and then Kendall, she always having good music, good class, and she's just I like her energy. So yeah, those are my 3 favorite instructors, which y'all didn't ask me about that, but I'm just letting you know. So if you do get the bike, or you're doing the app looking for an instructor, you know who to look for. So yes, like I said, this is the biggest purchase I've ever made in my life, and I feel like it's worth it. They do have financing available, so I just paid for the bike outright, and then so my mom is she's a veteran, so they do have a military discount, so I was able to use that. So basically with the military discount, you have to pay the price of the bike, and then you can get the shoes, which are down here. I'm gonna show y'all what comes with the bike. But you get the shoes and the headphones and the weights for free. So, and I think typically that package that includes the shoes and the headphones and the weights is like an additional $250, I think, or maybe $100, one of the two. But it's not that big of a discount with the military discount. You still have to pay for the price of the bike just to get some of the like extra stuff for free. So I did that. They do have, like I said, they do have financing available, and I think their financing plan is honestly really, really cool. If you can't afford to pay for it outright, they have the financing where it's literally 0 interest, so that's amazing. And it's like the prices, like some of them is like $30 a month, $15 a month, and it's like, of course, you know, it's like you're gonna be paying for it over 3 years or something, but that's really affordable, and there's 0 interest, so like you can't beat that. Because if that was a credit card and you brought something for like almost $3,000 and you was gonna be paying that off over 3 years, child, you would be paying like 10 times the amount of it. So I thought that's really cool. And then you can pay it off. Say you finance it for like the year long, and like you end up paying it off early. There's no like penalty for paying it off early. So I thought that was really cool. So if you're looking to make the investment in the bike, you can do that, do their financing. And also, like, if you're like young trying to build your credit, like what better way than to, like, you know, finance it and actually pay for it on time, because you know you want to make good choices and then have your bike. So yes, child, Peloton needs to hire me, because clearly I'm out here giving them all the financing tips and everything. But anyway, so yeah, that is the pricing on the bike. The bike comes with these shoes. So these are like cycling shoes, and weights. I have the 3-pound weights. I think the weights come in either 3 pound, 2 pound, or 1 pound. I chose 3 pound. 3 pound is the heaviest. And then it also came with some headphones that are somewhere over there. I don't even know, because I don't use them. I like to just listen to it loudly. There's 2 speakers back here, so I just like to like listen to it loudly, because I feel like I'm like a like cycling studio. So yeah, y'all can't really see the inside, so I'm gonna use my vlogging camera to like kind of show you the inside of it, but so I can like insert it in. But honestly, I just really love the bike, you guys. Like it really was like a great investment. Like I'm trying to think of things that like you would want to know when you're gonna buy it. Is it worth the money? Yes. Do I use it consistently? I really do. I have my Peloton, I have a gym membership, and I also have my Hot Works membership, but I use all 3 of them. So, and I honestly use this one every morning, like just to like get my day started. Oh, one thing I will say that I wasn't aware of is that when you buy the Peloton bike, the membership is not included. So that's kind of the only downside, is like the membership to actually have like the classes and stuff costs an additional $40. Even though we paid all this money for the bike, you still have to pay the $40 per month. So it's like, I think it's $40 or $45. I think it's $40 plus tax. I'm not sure, but you have to pay it monthly. It's a monthly membership, and so you're able to do the live classes and things like that. If you just have the app and not the bike, it's $12. I think it was $12. So honestly, I don't know what the difference is, guys, because I used the app for like 3 months before I got the bike, and so it's literally the same things on here. The only thing is, it's like you can like, on the live classes, you can high five people, but I have seen people like sharing their screen with other people, so maybe I just need to like find a friend on here. If you do have a Peloton and you're looking for somebody to ride with, you can follow me, or is that how you say it, follow me? I'm trying to see what my name is on here. So my name is, oh guys, and by the way, I made it to the Century Club, so I'm really excited because I got my 100 rides, and they send you a free shirt. But I mean, shit, they should send us some free all the time. Anyways, my name is Celeste Renee, like my YouTube name. And oh, I got 5 followers. I didn't even know that. Child, I didn't know you could follow people on here. Anyway, so yeah, let's see what achievements I have. Actually, I'm gonna show y'all this. I'm gonna end this one right here and like go into my vlogging camera so I can kind of show y'all the screen and things like that, and y'all like a close up look. Is that the word? Of like the camera, so y'all can see all the ins and outs. But like I said again, I really, really love my Peloton bike. I'm like team Peloton, like for real. I can't wait for my Peloton shirt to come in with my Century ride so I can put it on and be like, yay, I made it. it's a really great investment. So if you're looking for like a bike to really invest in yourself and something you're gonna use it. I've had it for 2 months, and trust me, I'm the type of person who I'll get really excited for something and I'll get it, and then like 2 weeks later I'm like, okay, I'm over it. But it's every class is different. Like you get what you need, like, you know. And like the live classes are really fun because it's like competing, so you can see the people on the side and you're like trying to go to the front. You're trying to get higher, so like the instructor will call you out and be like, oh, I see such and such, like, you know. I haven't been called out, but I'm hoping one day, you know, hopefully by Alex, if you're watching this. Anyways, y'all, I'm gonna switch over to the vlogging camera so I can show y'all an in-depth view of like the screen and things like that. So I will be right back. Okay guys, so this is the bike. This is how, when you turn the screen on, this is what it looks like. Y'all see my like little workout situation on there. So you choose your profile. Of course, it's just me, so I just choose my name. And you do have to have a Wi-Fi connection to use it. I'm pretty sure you have to have Wi-Fi. But anyway, so this is like the home screen. So basically, it's like, hey, welcome back, Celeste Renee. And this is my hashtag, feel good, look good, because that's Alex's, like, you know, you can like rep a team, a leg trainer, and y'all already know how I feel about Alex. So, you know, I'm on his team because, you know. So anyway, so they have my daily picks. So these are the people the classes I typically do. So I typically do either Alex, Allie Love, or Kendall, or Cody, like I said. Oh, and I just found out about Jess Sims. Her boot camp classes are really, really good. She's really hard. So anyways, yes. And so then you could just choose a class. Here's the programs. Oh, and what I didn't say is they have more than just cycling. So let me see. Can I go to it? So they have, okay, you said the top. Strength training, stretching, yoga, cardio, running, beret. They have a lot of stuff. There's more than just like cycling. So if you have the app, it is kind of like good because you get more than just like, you know, your basic classes. You get a lot of stuff. Oh, Alex has a ride today at 12:30. Girl, I didn't even know that. Oh, it already started. Well, anyways, we'll just join the class so you can kind of see how the live classes look, even though I should probably be in the class. So this is literally the class starting. It's super loud. Let me turn it down. Okay, so then like you have the little, this is the little brake, the pedals. So you have to use the cycling shoes, the seat, and then the weights. And then basically, like you can see, this is the resistance. So you can switch the resistance right here. It's also the brake and the resistance. So you see it's like going up. And so you can do that. And then this is the output. It was a combination of the cadence and the resistance. And then the cadence is how fast you're going. So if I was pedaling, let's see, can I make it? You see it's changing. So yeah, and then this is the leadership board. So you can see yourself, that's me. And then time remaining. And then there's normally like on the side you can see the music, but this is a live class, so you can't see it. But typically in the class that's already been recorded, you can see like the songs that pop up and it'll show you the numbers. But I'm gonna exit out of this because I actually want to do that class and I didn't know it was one available. So yeah, guys, that is pretty. Ooh, let me turn this way because my apartment's a little dirty. Y'all see like all my filming stuff I had up. But yeah, so that is pretty much the Peloton bike. Like I said, oh, and these are the shoes that it comes with. They actually hurt at first, so you have to get kind of used to it. But yes, this is my Peloton bike. And like I said, I absolutely love the bike. You guys should definitely get one. And if you have any questions, let me know. And hopefully, I think they have a referral code and you get $100 off. So I'll put that in the description if you guys want to use that. Get $100 off the bike. I mean, the bike is expensive AF. So, you know, any little bit you can get off is great. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys later. Bye.